The promise to complete testing of Alorica employees today did not materialize. Some workers who turned up for testing at the company's location in Portmore St. Catherine left disgruntled, saying they were told they would not be tested because not enough test kits were on hand. The company is now ground zero of the COVID-19 outbreak in Jamaica, with almost a third of all confirmed cases. Kirk Wright tells us more.
Many employees of the Alorica call centre responded to the government's call to turn up at the call centre in Portmore St. Catherine to get tested for the coronavirus. Most wore masks, but in some instances, persons paid scant regard to physical distancing. Now I should tell you, just to be here today to do testing evoked different emotions from the employees who came here today, and also many of them who turned up went away without being tested. They say they were told that not enough test kits arrived today. The employees, who were too scared to show their faces, complained of turning up for testing from 9 this morning and then to be told sometime after 4 that not everyone on location would be tested.
Then send you come over here, so then only for send home after. That not make no sense. What is going on here?
Most of our employees right now have to leave and gone to other health center, gone home. I don't know how them are going to do the testing, right? I don't know how them are going to do it because 120 testing in send over here. That is very much impossible. I mean, our head count is so much more than 120 persons.
We asked one of the medical technologists from the National Public Health Lab about the allegation of not having adequate test kits.
We are just a team that does a test. We don't have information regarding that. What we come here with what we work with. What we usually do is to direct them to the administration, and they are the ones that speak with them.
Sometime close to 5 this evening, when we spoke with the medical technologist, she said that her team had already tested about 50 employees. She said a few displayed cold-like symptoms.
They show signs of runny nose, runny eyes, and some sneezing, some shortness of breath. So yes, we did actually saw some showing symptoms, but we cannot say until we see the test results, of course.
The employees, many of whom took public transportation to reach to the Portmore location, had safety concerns both for themselves and the travelling public.
Afraid, because we depend on the bus, them, the transportation, them say we for stay home, and then them are going to say we for take bus come over here, or take any transportation come over here. We have to walk and hide with ID, we're afraid and all of them something there. If you tell up to the soldier and the police them out there, say, if you tell them say, yes, so we are working, we show them with ID, them run from we and hurry up and rush you and tell if we go on where we are go.
They say not all reports of persons refusing to reach out to the ministry are true.
I'm going to tell lies, so we are hide. Nobody not hide. We are reach out to the people them forget some kind of testing. We are
when you call the numbers, exactly what happened?
We call them, we tell them, say, here what, this is where we work, we work at Alorica. Them are going to say to we say, oh, we must sit and wait until somebody call us. We go to the health centers, Old Harbour and Spanish Town, then send we back to we yard and say, we must sit and wait, them not testing anybody from Alorica.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.